If you wish to sell the course from your website, click on Store on the top navigation menu. Inside of the e-commerce window, click on Products. Inside of the Products window, click on the Add Product button. In the pop-up menu, select Membership. On the product page, type in a title for the course. Add a course description and an image to the course membership product. Scroll down the page and type in the price for the course. Choose if you wish to make the course a subscription product, where learners are charged on a recurring basis, or deselect this option if you prefer to sell the course for a once-off price. Under Member Groups, click Select and choose the course membership group, which was created in the previous video. Then click Confirm. Scroll down the page and under Custom Thank You page, toggle the button to display a custom thank you page. In this example, we will link the first course lesson page so that the member is immediately redirected to the course once they have made payment. Click on the link button. In the Select a Link window, under Page Group, select the Course Pages group. Under Page, select the first course lesson page. Then click Select. Under Additional Questions, click on the Edit Questions button if you wish to ask the member any questions before purchase. Once you have created the course membership product, then click Save Changes. The course membership product will now be displayed inside of the Products window. The course membership product can now be displayed on the course dashboard or anywhere on your website. Click on Builder on the top navigation menu. In this example, we will add a store widget onto the course dashboard so that the visitor can purchase the membership product. Click on Pages and select the course dashboard page. Click on the widget icon on the left navigation menu. In the Add Widget window, locate the Store widget and drag and drop it onto the course dashboard page. In the Products to Show window, click the drop-down menu and select Selected Products. Click on the Select Products button. Select the course membership product, then click Confirm. And then click Save. Go to the live version of your website to test the membership product. When the membership product is clicked on, the visitor will be able to purchase the course membership. You will learn more about how to set up store products and payment processes in the online store module later on in the course.